Go.
Hey guys, this is our hotel room in Switzerland, Leysin, and we're in a family of 5 people. My dad, me, brother and sister, and my mother. And there's 6 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and another 2 inside here. So we're going to open this one over here right now. Here it is. We just need to bring it down. And the other bed is right here. Ta-da! See? 2 beds. No one sleeps over here, but my dad sleeps down there. My sister sleeps here. My mother sits here. William, he's just playing on iPad right now, sleeps here, and I sleep on top here.
So, this is the corridor, and over here in this area is where we put our shoes. Here in this small closet we put all our jackets and stuff, and here we hang some more stuff, and here is some storage to put some. We got a mirror here so you can check if everything's okay, and then here is the bathroom. So there is a bathtub here, there is a mirror, and here are these 2 glass cups so you can hold your toothbrush in, a toilet here, and some towels here they have done for you. And here is the main entrance.
Now we're gonna start the tour outside to the balcony. Let's go. See? It's snowing here in Switzerland. The KLG family adventures.
So Lina's